Businesses must pay property tax by October. Businesses registered in Cambodia have until the end of the month to pay their annual property tax to the country's General Department of Taxation, GDT. According to the GDT, business owners must pay by September 30th to avoid being fined, in a notice posted to its website Monday. Legal advisory firm Sharoni and Associates said the tax can be paid directly to the GDT or through approved banks Oglida and Canada. Business owners who have not previously paid property tax must submit an assessment to tax authorities in the district where the property is located. In a country where tax collection has long been a struggle, property and customs taxes were not enforced until 2011 and 2013, respectively. The GDT's efforts to reform the tax system have been massive, Sharoni and Associates tax advisor James Roberts said Tuesday. This reform has had a major impact on the local business community, the extent of which is only beginning to be felt, and not only by local business people, as we are seeing an extensive number of larger local families beginning to come forward and look to clean up their tax affairs, Mr. Roberts said in an email.